Welcome to the best picks. The best Gel Cream Moisturizer is probably one of the most versatile skincare products you can add to your routine, offering a lightweight yet hydrating experience perfect for a wide range of skin types, from oily to combination and even sensitive. Unlike heavier creams, gel moisturizers absorb quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and supple without any greasy residue, making them ideal for both daytime wear under makeup and nighttime nourishment. This innovative formula bridges the gap between a serum's lightness and a cream's efficacy, ensuring your skin barrier stays healthy and resilient. Number 5. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. Experience the ultimate hydration with our unique gel cream formula. It's designed to quench your skin's thirst without any greasy residue. Enjoy the benefits of rapid absorption. This lightweight lotion sinks in quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth in no time. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it provides a surge of moisture. This key ingredient helps to plump and hydrate your skin effectively. Perfect for those with normal to dry skin, it delivers essential moisture. It helps to restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Our gentle, fragrance-free option is ideal for sensitive skin. You can enjoy deep hydration without any added irritants. This generous 16-ounce size ensures you have plenty of this nourishing cream. Keep your skin hydrated and comfortable day after day. What we like. This one offers intense hydration with hyaluronic acid, making it perfect for normal to dry skin. Its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula is ideal for those who want immediate comfort without any sticky residue. If you're looking for an everyday body moisturizer that feels lightweight and refreshing, this is a great choice. What people say. Absorbs instantly and leaves skin silky without any greasy feel. This gel cream really works and it is long-lasting. I am a senior with very dry skin and I live in a very dry climate, so these conditions have surely tested this product's effectiveness. I use it in the morning after a shower and it lasts all day. I like that it is unscented, and it works well with my skin type. Also, it soaks in and leaves skin soft, not at all oily. This product is the best thing I have found for dry skin all over the body. It is absorbed very quickly and leaves no residue. No more scaly flaking skin. Leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Number 4. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. Discover the calming power of Aveeno. This gentle moisturizer is designed specifically for sensitive skin, providing instant relief and lasting hydration. Experience lightweight comfort with our fast-absorbing gel cream. It sinks in quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed without any greasy residue. Infused with prebiotic oat, this formula helps to nourish and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. It's the key to a healthier, more resilient complexion. Feverfew extract works to visibly reduce redness and calm irritation. Enjoy a visibly smoother and more even-toned appearance after just one use. Formulated to be fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, it's perfect for even the most delicate skin. You can trust it to be gentle and effective. Make this soothing gel cream a part of your daily routine. It provides the essential hydration your skin needs to feel calm and restored all day long. What we like. Formulated with prebiotic oat and feverfew, this gel cream is specifically designed to calm and restore sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it a gentle option for those prone to redness or irritation. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a soothing, lightweight facial moisturizer, this is an excellent pick. What people say. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and gives a nice boost of hydration without feeling greasy or heavy. My skin feels calmer and less irritated after using it consistently, and it layers well under moisturizer and sunscreen. Hydrates my skin so well and is not thick on my face at all. My face feels so much better after putting it on. It works into your face quickly and evenly. One dab of one finger is enough for your entire face using a patting motion. This cream does not bother my eyes. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. Tired of oily skin? Introducing a daily moisturizer designed to mattify and control shine. It's perfect for keeping your skin balanced throughout the day. Experience lasting hydration without the heavy feeling. This formula provides essential moisture while remaining lightweight and comfortable on your skin. Enriched with ceramides and niacinamide, it helps restore your skin's natural barrier. These key ingredients work together to improve skin health and resilience. Designed for everyone, this moisturizer is suitable for all skin tones. It blends seamlessly, leaving no white cast or residue. Worry less about breakouts. Its oil-free and non-comedogenic properties ensure it won't clog pores, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. This version includes SPF 30 for daily defense against UV damage. What we like. This moisturizer provides a matte finish, making it ideal for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to help repair the skin barrier and control oil. If you're looking for a daily facial moisturizer that combats shine and keeps your skin balanced without clogging pores, this is the one to consider. What people say. The texture is lightweight yet hydrating, and it somehow manages to control oil while keeping my skin comfortable all day. It glides on effortlessly, feels weightless, and instantly mattifies without that powdery look. This moisturizer is meant for an oily to combination skin type, and I definitely fall more on the combination side. Some parts of my face get very dry while others get so oily I swear I could use it to cook popcorn. But even with this difference, my face has felt overall very moisturized since using this. Number 2. IUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream. Discover the calming power of our gel cream. It's designed to soothe your skin and provide gentle care. Enjoy a feather-light feel that won't clog your pores. This formula is perfect for daily use without any heaviness. Harnessing the natural benefits of Centella and tea tree, it works to calm irritation. These ingredients are known for their soothing properties. Target blemishes and keep your skin hydrated. It helps to manage breakouts while maintaining essential moisture. Specially formulated for those with oily, sensitive, or acne-prone skin. It provides effective care without causing further irritation. Experience the best of Korean skincare with this advanced formula. It delivers targeted results for a clearer complexion. What we like. Featuring Centella and tea tree, this gel cream is excellent for soothing and targeting blemishes. Its lightweight, non-comedogenic formula is perfect for oily, sensitive, and acne-prone skin types. If you're dealing with breakouts or looking for a Korean skincare product to calm and clear your complexion, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It's fast-absorbing and lightweight, with a calming effect. The tea tree helps reduce inflamed acne within hours. The tea tree helps reduce inflamed acne within hours. It's the perfect watery texture for my oily acne-prone skin. Not sticky at all. This cream has been the absolute cherry on top. My double cleanse plus a moisturizer was doing okay. It was an improvement, but I was still getting breakouts and having an oily sheen afterwards. IUNIK's calming gel has tied it all together into a neat little bow. It's only been 3 days and my acne is already clearing up tenfold. All of my pimples have broken down into tiny spots and are going away quicker than ever. I haven't had any new breakouts yet and my skin doesn't feel slick and greasy. Number 1. Cetaphil Soothing Gel Cream with Aloe. Experience immediate relief for your sensitive skin. This gentle formula calms irritation and reduces redness. Infused with aloe, it provides deep, lasting hydration. Your skin will feel refreshed and revitalized. Specially formulated for those with delicate complexions. It's designed to be kind and effective. Enjoy the benefits without harsh additives. It's free from fragrances and parabens for your peace of mind. This large size ensures you have plenty of soothing moisture. It's perfect for daily use on your face and body. Choose a skincare solution that truly cares. It offers comfort and nourishment without compromise. What we like. With aloe vera, this gel cream offers instant soothing and hydration, specifically for sensitive skin. It's free from fragrance and parabens, ensuring a gentle experience. If you need immediate relief from dryness or irritation and prefer a fragrance-free, soothing formula, this is a wonderful choice for your skincare routine. What people say. The standout ingredient is 0.5% allantoin, which is a true powerhouse for irritated or sensitive skin. It works wonderfully on sunburns, allergic reactions, or any redness, super calming and soothing. For summer, it has the perfect amount of moisture, and makes putting sunscreen on top of it easier. This is good. It took me forever to find a lotion gel that works on my skin. I have psoriasis, my skin is very fragile and this rocks. Leaves my skin soft, it soaks in well. I put it on yesterday and today my skin is still soft. It is definitely sensitive skin. It's very effective. There is no scent. If you have sensitive skin, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.